Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Soo hyun and Suzy fortune harmony analysis. Both Soo hyun and Suzy are very gentle and quiet. I analyzed the fortune harmony at the request of overseas YouTube subscriber. What kind of fortune structure is it? Soo hyun is a jewel. Suzy is a rich land. He don't like to be buried in the ground. They two are not in good harmony at the first stage. Right below the letter pointing to themselves are marked with a pink heart. It's their perception of spouse. But both of them wanna be loved. It's better to give and take. But they only wanna be loved. So it's not a good harmony. In the second stage, then is there a good harmony between the two of them? Let's take a look at the next picture. Soo hyun is very thoughtful and has excellent value judgment. He is a bit sensitive, but he is very receptive and accepts outside information well, so he is not a problem in his social life. Suzy has the charm of making every man she meets a caring person, and she is an honor-oriented and very proud person. Therefore, the result of their activities must be clear and they have a result-oriented mindset. This can be seen as something that they two have in common. Each of them has a wonderful fortune, but I can give them about 75% for their harmony. I wish them both good health and good luck with their work. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.